What up, baby? Yeah. You still coming over? In 20 minutes? Oh, okay. Alright, baby. I'll see you then. Alright. Man, bro. You gotta go.
Man, I'll let you do what you gotta do, man. I'll hit you up, man.
Alright, cool.
Alright, see you later.
Alright. I got 20 minutes to pick this up. Guess I gotta move.
Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard.
Man, she should be here in a minute. That took longer than I thought. Come on, Brian. Let's make this comeback. Right on time. Yeah, baby, you here? You not? You ain't coming. Oh, hell no.